Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change language on eBay. So the first easiest option is that you click right here on the right button on your mouse, and you will see here translate to English. Now you can also select another one, so like you saw it right now. So uh, right here, and then you have these three dots right here. Choose another language, and then select the language you prefer. Now also what you can do, you can go here to the your name at the left top side and account settings, and then under the personal information go to the addresses. So here you can change shipping address, ship from address, and return address. You can add it, and yeah, this is basically how you can change the language, basically, also if you're changing the shipping address. Also, you can do that in your app if you have it. So under the My eBay on the app, you can go to the account, and then addresses is the same thing, and you can change your registered country or region. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next